All right. Welcome to the IAQuilters show this month. This is our monthly recap of what's been happening, plus a focus or spotlight on some of the members, what they have been up to, and what is coming up this next month of September. So we are hitting off their fall season, and I hope that you guys have been able to continue to stay safe and as well healthy. Um, During August, we had our bi meetups on our Tuesdays. Such a great opportunity for us to check in, help each other out with encouragement, inspiration, a little bit of show and tell, and of course, our chit chat of all things quilting. Thank you to those who have participated, and I really do look forward to more of them throughout the upcoming months. You can watch the previous meetings in the forum meetup recordings, as well as check the calendar for when those new activities or meetups will be happening. Last week, we had our show and tell, and it was a lot of fun to see what everybody has been working on and sewing, and of course, sharing your progress. So, and celebrating every little bit of it. So we did have a little bit of a conversation about our fabric choices for the just around the corner block of the month that is started. So coming up this month of September, we have Seasons of Friendship. This month, we will be having a rest and catch up month. Time to get those blocks out, catch them up if you need, or take some time off if you're able to. Maybe you can sneak a project in or two if you're all caught up. But just make sure that you're sharing your process along the way. For the recess quilt, the improv quilt, we'll be exploring flying geese blocks, similar to the half square triangles, but with a little bit of a twist. This month, we'll also be kicking off our new technique focus, which is all about machine quilting. We'll be starting off by prepping our backing, picking our batting, exploring other options when it comes to machine quilting. So you will for sure want to check that out. As for the just around the corner block of the month that has started, we're continuing working on our units and sections for this quilt. It's been a little bit of a tricky start with the fabric and such because we aren't making traditional blocks in a traditional manner. Just have fun though, and don't let it get you hung up. I did put an additional image into the just around the corner page to help you understand where these placements or where these fabric choices are going with each step. Just for fun, we are going to be doing our fall mystery quilt. And this, of course, is starting the end of this month. Watch for the materials list to go live on the 15th. So you'll have enough time to gather your fabric and to start sewing the first day or the first Friday of October together. So each day you'll be getting a little bit of a hint in the steps for the mystery to sew. Believe me, this quilt is small. So not that you're going to be piecing tiny pieces, but it is smaller in size, not a king size, not a lap size, but smaller. I think it's under 20 inches square. So it's going to be a fun project that you for sure will be able to sew along. And as a little bit of a tiny hint, even though it's a mystery, it will have some paper piecing in there. So you get to practice our last technique focused in this little mystery that will be happening this month. So think spring and happy times. Now it's our time for this month's award or awards. We have 3 prizes to give away this month. Yay to you. Thank you to everyone who has participated in the forum, sharing your pictures, giving support, asking questions, and participating in our Tuesday chat days. They really are helpful with everybody getting to know each other, and I hope that you can join one of our Zoom meetups during the month as well. As for our 3 prize winners, we have image sharing going to Carol Downing. We have our chit chat winner of Cindy Shoemaker, as well as Laurie Sims is our top 10 random winner. So congratulations to everybody for participating in the forum, giving feedback to others. Keep up the great work and the inspiration. Please watch for your mailbox. There is something coming along your way as a thank you for being a great IAQ member. I believe that is it for this month. I hope you continue to have a happy days. Find a little bit of time to sew a little bit each day. Until next time, and for any of the information or links mentioned in here, you will find them in the description below. So I will see you later.